Thank you for your interest in the Medical Assistant program at Wenatchee Valley College. During this online information session, you will learn everything you need to know to prepare to apply to the Medical Assistant program. But before we dive in, it's important for you to know that the Medical Assistant program is considered a limited enrollment program. Admission to this program is competitive. Students with the highest cumulative college GPA are the ones accepted first, and thus it is important to make school a top priority if you want to become a medical assistant. To get started, you need to locate the Medical Assistant website. This can be found by going to www.wvc.edu/MA. Take time to read through all of the medical assistant pages and check back regularly for updates and new information. On the website, you can find and download the prerequisite checklist. Print out this form and read it thoroughly. This form explains what must be completed before applying to the medical assistant program. Review the form and use it to create an educational plan that outlines the classes you will take to complete all the medical assistant prerequisites. If you have earned credit through any other college or university, you have one additional step. Before creating an educational plan, find and download the credit evaluation request form on the website. Print out this form and follow the instructions to request a credit evaluation. Credit evaluations help you see how your transfer credits will be accepted at Wenatchee Valley College. Once you receive the completed evaluation, you can continue by creating an educational plan. After you have created a tentative educational plan, check in with your advisor to ensure you haven't missed any important steps or requirements. If you are a current Wenatchee Valley College student, you have an assigned faculty advisor. Look on your MyWVC portal to determine your faculty advisor's name and contact information. Reach out to your advisor. You can call, email, or schedule an in-person appointment with your faculty advisor. If you have not yet attended Wenatchee Valley College, contact the educational planner for Allied Health. Contact information is on the Medical Assistant website. Now that you know where to find program information, let's review the specifics about the Medical Assistant program. The medical assistant profession is a growing field with lots of work opportunities. Medical assistants provide basic patient care. They interview patients to obtain medical histories, record vital signs, assist with patient examinations, administer medication and monitor patient responses, and draw blood. They also help with administration of the medical office by maintaining medical records, scheduling appointments, and handling insurance and billing procedures. Prior to applying to the medical assistant program, all prerequisites must be completed. The grades you earn in every class will have an effect on your cumulative college GPA. The higher the grades, the better chance you have of being accepted. In addition to these prerequisites, you must meet all general requirements listed on the prerequisite checklist, so be sure to read that form very carefully. Once you have met all the general requirements and completed all of the prerequisites, you are eligible to apply. Applications are accepted 2 times a year. In mid to late June, applications are accepted for the Fall Start program. In mid-October, applications are accepted for the Winter Start program. Exact dates are posted online a few months in advance. You will have a 1 to 2 week window to submit your application, so watch the dates carefully. You must submit your official high school transcript or your official GED transcript with your medical assistant application. Official college transcripts must be submitted as well. Transcripts that show any classes completed within the last 10 years are required. If you have a transcript that is entirely over 10 years old, meaning all classes shown were completed over 10 years ago, you are allowed to omit this transcript if it does not help your chances of getting into the medical assistant program. For clarification about this, please contact the educational planner for Allied Health. We offer the medical assistant program on our Wenatchee campus. and the program starts every fall and winter and lasts 4 consecutive quarters. All classes are completed in the evenings and on Saturdays. In the past few years, we usually receive over 40 applications for our Fall Start program and over 25 applications for our Winter Start program. You can see the average GPA of those students accepted to both our Fall and Winter Start programs. When it comes time to submit your application, remember that all transcripts you submit must be official, meaning they are submitted in a sealed envelope. Transcripts must show all your recent coursework, and if you have earned credit through a school outside of the United States, you must contact the educational planner for Allied Health to learn how to have those credits evaluated. All application instructions are posted online along with the application. The application will be posted a few months before it is due. Take a look at the application, and if you have questions, contact the educational planner for Allied Health before applications are due. Incomplete applications or late applications will not be accepted. And if you are registering for fall classes before you find out whether you are accepted into the medical assistant program, register for the classes you would like to take if you are not accepted. Then, if you are accepted, you can drop those other classes and enroll in the medical assistant program classes. After all applications have been received, they are evaluated based on grades. Students with the highest GPA are accepted first. All applicants will be notified about a month after applying. If you are accepted, carefully read your acceptance packet and follow the steps. It is important to note that if you have a criminal record, you may not be able to train in the medical assistant program. If you have a criminal record and you are curious whether this may affect your chance of participating in our medical assistant program, follow the instructions on the screen. That concludes our medical assistant program information session. Please read through the entire website and contact the educational planner for Allied Health with any questions.